So what is up, guys? I know my hair is a mess. I just don't really care. But today we're gonna be trying to do something with my dog. We're gonna be testing her. So I'm gonna be fake falling and seeing what she does. I guess I should do it outside. I'll do a couple inside. I'll do a couple inside. Sorry. Hey, baby girl. It's my dog. Say hi, Gabby. Say hi, YouTube. Hi, YouTube. Come here, Gabby. Come here. Come here. Nothing. Okay. Time to do it outside. Guys, I think I have to redo that. Time to go outside. So, guys, we are outside. The dog's on the chain out there. The video just paused. It looks like kind of. I'm gonna be social experiment 1. I already did 1, so this is attempt 2. So let's go at it. And guys, if I actually fall and say ow, it's because I might say I'll say ow if I actually fall, but I'll just say ow if I But I'm not example, so that's why I might say ow. Come here, Callie. Vlog life. Ow. She does nothing. Guys, so obviously she did nothing. Which is kind of funny. At first when I fell, she got down on her high knees. It was so cute, guys. I feel like I should set up the camera and then go out and do it. So, hold on, guys. Come here, girl. Come here. Come here, Callie. Callie. Come here. Come here. Okay, so she obviously did nothing. So I'm gonna set up the camera in a different spot. So hold on. Come here, Callie. You want a treat? Come here. Come here. Callie, help me. Help me, Callie, help me. Looks like that was a no-go. Like and subscribe if you like this video, and come here, Callie. I'll show you guys my dog. Let me show you so you can see. Want a treat? Come here. Give me a treat when we go outside. Come on. Want me a treat? Want me a treat? Guys, I'm gonna pause it and get her. So guys, here she is. Callie, stop moving. She loves me. I love her. And guys, I don't think I said this. Maybe I said it. I can't really remember. But the only reason I'm doing this is because she used to do a rescue. She used to be a rescue dog. And we found her with her, well, no, we didn't find her. It was my dad's girlfriend's mom's dog. And then her mom just passed away, so we have her now. So, yeah. And comment down below if you like this video. I'm not going to do this editing stuff because it takes too long. It takes like 2 hours for me. But until next time, peace out.